Cajun chicken pasta will always have a special place in my heart because it's delicious, it's creamy, it's cheesy, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make it. 30 minutes, you're done. Let's jump right in. To begin, we're going to start by boiling the pasta. I have the water already boiling. I'm using fettuccine pasta, however, you can use pretty much anything. And I like to season my water with a little bit of chicken bouillon and salt. Then I'm going to cover it, allow it to boil until al dente. The pasta is nice and al dente, beautiful as you can see. But before you remove the pasta, make sure you reserve about a cup of that pasta water, set it aside. We'll use it later. Now we're going to move on to the chicken. I have 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I'm going to slice them right in the middle, just like that. I'm going like this so the chicken can be nice and flavorful. When we cook the chicken, it'll be nice and flavorful all the way through. Now you pat it dry. I'm going to drizzle a little bit of oil, rub it in, and now I'm going to add in my seasoning. Always mix your seasoning. I'm using some of the seasoning to season the chicken, and the rest I'll leave it for the sauce. And now your chicken is nicely seasoned. Now it's time to pan sear the chicken. I have my skillet on medium-high heat. I'm going to drizzle a little bit of oil. Now I'm going to add my chicken right in. I'm going to cook the chicken for about 2 minutes per side, then flip over. Time to flip my chicken over. Look at that beautiful sear on the chicken. Yes, yes, yes. We're gonna let it go for another 2 minutes, then remove, set aside. It's time to remove the chicken and set it aside for now. They are looking so beautiful, as you can see. I'm going to set it aside for now and cook the other 2 slices. Now we're going to make our delicious Cajun creamy sauce. I'm adding some chopped red onion. Also, I'm going in with some minced garlic. I have 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. I want to fry everything all together. Give that a nice stir. Make sure you fry that tomato paste. Now I'm going in with the heavy whipping cream. Once you add that in, you're going in with your chicken broth, just a little bit of that. Perfect. And also I'm going in with my seasoning. I'm using a little bit of the leftover seasoning I had for the chicken, and I added some chicken bouillon to it. Also, I'm going in with some fresh parsley. Allow the sauce to simmer a little bit, and then we're going in with the pasta. I'm going to add my pasta to the creamy sauce, just like this. Perfect. And also, we're going to add in our chicken. Now we're going to dice the chicken so we can add it to our pasta. Oh, it is juicy and it's flavorful. Beautiful. Just dice it up, just like this. You'll see that juice. That's what we want. Beautiful. We're going to add that right on top of the pasta. Ooh, that is going to come out so flavorful. And also, guys, I am going to add some freshly grated Parmesan on top, okay? Ooh, that's gonna be so delicious. I cannot wait to take a bite. Looks so good. We're going to add some more of that fresh parsley and give it a mix. Oh my goodness, that looks so creamy Smelling amazing. I'm going to pour that sauce from my chicken on top. That extra chicken is for me to add on top, just to garnish. So give it a nice little mix. Ooh, yes. There you go. Nicely delicious creamy Cajun chicken pasta. It is done. Time to eat. Taste test, and you know I'm excited. This is my favorite part. Try the food. It's so creamy, and I take a bite out of the chicken. It's so flavorful, so you know this is about to be a banger. Let's try it. Two words. Absolutely delicious. If you don't try this out, what are you waiting for? It is so delicious. There is a reason why this pasta is one of my favorite pasta to make. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up for me, because that's how YouTube is going to push this video out, by you liking it, if you really do. Also, if you're new here, be sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.